Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. Today we are making spicy chicken. Ingredients: we want chicken, any color capsicum, onion 1, chopped everything, oil 2 tablespoons, chicken boneless 250 grams, salt as per taste, peri peri powder 1 tablespoon, white pepper 1 tablespoon, red chilli paste 1 tablespoon. Mix everything. Cook until changes color. Chopped onion half cup, any color chopped capsicum 1 cup. Mix everything. Cook on high heat for 2 to 3 minutes. If you guys like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Press bell icon. Whenever I upload new video, get notified. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.